Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and accounts. Make sure NFC is enabled in settings and your phone is updated. Once done, open Google Wallet and sign in. This ties payments to your account and devices. Next, select Add a card and be ready to photograph or type card details. You do this now because verification uses those details. Make sure notifications and location permissions are allowed so the app can complete authentication smoothly. You now add your card and move through verification. Scan the card or type the number, then confirm expiry and CVV so the bank accepts it. Once submitted, expect an SMS or app challenge. Follow the bank's prompt to authorize adding the card. After verification, set the card as your default contactless payment method in wallet settings so you tap without extra steps. This reduces friction at checkout and ensures NFC uses the correct payment instrument. You're at the terminal. Wake the phone, then hold its back near the contactless reader until you feel a vibration and see the transaction confirmed on screen. For larger amounts, the phone may require PIN or biometric unlock. Follow that prompt to complete payment. If a tap fails, first toggle NFC off and on, then restart the device. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card in wallet. This troubleshooting step fixes most connectivity and provisioning errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.